Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the car to ACC or on so the head unit is active. Next, locate the clock controls. Press the physical clock button or open menu, right arrow settings, right arrow clock on the touchscreen. This enters clock set mode. Once in, note whether the system shows hours, then minutes, or separate controls. That determines how you step through adjustments. Press and hold to accelerate changes if needed, and make sure you're in the right mode before changing values to avoid toggling time formats accidentally. Now you change the numbers. Select the hours field and use the volume knob, +/- buttons, or seek /track to increase or decrease value. You'll feel single-step control for precision. Once hours are correct, move to minutes and repeat. Press and hold a control to speed through if the jump is large. If the system offers a 12/24-hour toggle, switch it now so the display matches your preference. Finally, look for a save OK or exit confirmation and choose it to commit the time. Finish by verifying the displayed time on both the head unit and instrument cluster. Once done, cycle ignition off and on to ensure the setting persists. If the clock resets, the most common causes are a weak car battery or a blown infotainment fuse, so inspect those next. If the head unit won't accept inputs or the menu is frozen, reboot the system by turning ignition off briefly or using the reset pinhole. If problems persist, bring the vehicle to a service center for a software update or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.